If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. In this video, we're going to talk about an issue where your Elementor page builder isn't loading correctly. In my case, this problem started after my site was hit by a phishing attack. I've already covered that in a separate video, which you can check out in the card above. Now, the root cause of this issue turned out to be the theme files. So let's focus on that and try two methods to fix it. First, try deleting your current theme and reinstalling the same one. Check if the issue is resolved. Still not working? Don't worry. Next, switch your theme to one of the default WordPress themes. Don't worry, your site's data will remain safe. And just like that, the page builder is now loading perfectly. So if this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.